Welcome to Economics Question Answer Discussion Series. Today my third lecture on this series. In this series I discuss only that economics question answer which are mostly asked in interview and as well as in competitive exam. So now I am going to start my lecture. Today my first question is, what is economics development? Economics development means improvement in lifestyle is called economics development. So next question, what is green revolution? Green revolution means sudden increase in agriculture output is called green revolution. So next question, what is white revolution? White revolution means increase in milk production. Increase in milk production is called white revolution. So next question, what is public finance? Public finance means government finance. So next question, what policy government use for import and export? Government adopt commercial policy for import and export. So next question, what is active partner or define active partner? A partner who provide fund and also take part in activity of business is called active partner. Means a partner who invest their fund in business and also take part in activity of business is called active partner. So next question, what is tariff? Tariff is a tax or duty that impose on particular import or export. Means a tax or duty that impose on a particular import or export. So next question, what is price discrimination? Price discrimination means a selling of same product on different price to different customer in order to maximize sale and profit. Means sale of same product on different price to different customer in order to maximize sale and profit is called price discrimination. So next question, when the purchasing power of money increase? During deflation, purchasing power of money increase. So next question, when the purchasing power of money decrease? During the inflation, purchasing power of money decrease. So next, define minor partner. A partner who not attained the age of majority, means his age is less than 18 years, is called minor partner. So next question, what is dumping? Dumping means sale of goods in abroad at low price, below cost and home market is called dumping. In dumping, sale of goods in abroad at low price, below cost and home market is called dumping. So next question, what is market? Market is a place where actual and potential buyer are exist to buy and sell their product is called market. Means market is a place where actual and potential buyer are exist to buy and sell their product. So next and last question, when banks prepare balance sheet? Banks prepare balance sheet weekly. So I request to you, please watch this lecture again and again so you fully clear your concept. And if you have any question about this lecture, you can ask question in comments and I will be reply to you as soon as possible. So you don't keep this lecture, is share with your friend so that they also get advantage from this series. So thank you for watching and Allah Hafiz.